intermolecular and intramolecular. So inter means between, intra means within. Intramolecular, within molecules, intermolecular, between molecules. That's in biology, in chemistry. In biology concept, you've got inter-specific and intra-specific competition. So competition between species for the same, let's say, food, for example, and intra-specific competition within the same species for the same, again, let's say, food, for example. How do we remember this? Look at your internet, you look at your university or your college email, the Moodle, etc. is on the student intranet. So you have a network, and within the confinements of that network is your account. Internet, anywhere and everywhere. But your intranet, as much as you can access it anywhere, you have to actually go onto the institute's website and their page, web page, etc. And then through that it is that you can only log on. Hence intranet, student intranet, within that confinement. So remember, intranet, within molecules or whatever it is. So intra, within, inter, between. So in the context of molecules, we're looking at intermolecular forces. That's the weakest of them is the van der Waals forces, which exist in every molecule whatsoever. Then you've got your dipoles, so your permanent or your temporary dipoles, and then the strongest of the intermolecular forces is your hydrogen bonding. Remember, hydrogen bonding only occurs hydrogen bonded to either the nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine molecules. Now that is the strongest of the intermolecular forces, and the intermolecular forces are weak forces. Then you've got the intramolecular forces, and these are between the molecule, within the molecules rather. And so look at molecule of oxygen for your molecule of oxygen, and between the two molecules of oxygen, which is a diatomic molecule, you've got covalent bonding. If you look at water molecule H2O, between the hydrogen and the oxygen, it's covalent bonding. However, between these water molecules, between the water molecules is hydrogen bonding. Within the molecule, so between the two hydrogen and the oxygen, is covalent. But if you have one molecule of water and another molecule of water, between these guys is hydrogen bonding. So the hydrogen bonding is weak, but within that molecule, between the oxygen and the nitrogen here, is covalent bonding, and that's strong. I hope that helps.